Hello kids, Shubhamangala at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Nasrina taking Standard 1 subjects English. Standard 1 subject English. We will learn lesson 4 1 and more than 1. 1 and more than 1. Yes. What is this known as, children? It is one book. One book. Now what you will call them? Book only. Now two are there. So what we will say? Books. First it was B-O-O-K book. B-O-O-K book. We are adding one more to that. Now it is two. So what we will say? Books. B-O-O-K. Yes. What we are adding? S. So to we add S-R-E-S to naming words. What are naming words? Names of people, places, animals, things are naming words. Yes, all things have name, all animals have name, all birds have name. Yes, all things around us have name, all people have name. Yes, common names, all people have common names. Yes, father, mother, yeah, brother, sister, aunt, uncle, doctor, teacher, common name of people. Common name of things means pen, pencil, eraser, clock, TV, mobile. Common name of animals: dog, cat, elephant, hippopotamus, lion, tiger, birds, peacock, pigeon, parrot, sparrow. Names of people, places, animals, places like park, garden, school, building, restaurant, hotel. All these are names of places, names of common names of places. So we add S to all these naming words to make it many. One means we'll say park. Many means what we'll say? Parks. P-A-R-K-S will come. So to make many we will add S. So for some words we will add S and some words we will add ES also. To make many. For some, now B-O-O-K book. B-O-O-K yes. Only we are adding S. For books. For bus, B-U-S bus. Buses. Yes. 3 means buses will say. So for buses, B-U-S, E-S we are adding. For some words we will add S and for some words we will add E-S. Is it clear, children? Book means B-O-O-K book. B-O-O-K-S books. Bus, buses. For buses, B-U-S, E-S we will add. What we will add? E-S. So some words we will add S and for some words we will add E-S. We add S, R-E-S to naming words to show more than one. To show more than one, we add S-R-E-S to the naming words. Now we will do all these, children. I have written already questions. You should answer below. B-U-S-H, bush. B-U-S-H, bush. One means bush. Many means what will say? Bushes. One means bush. Many means bushes. So here see what we are going to add. B-U-S-H, E-S will come. At last what we added? E-S to make many. Here only S means spelling will be wrong. So B-U-S-H, E-S will come. What will come? E-S to make many bushes. Bus. B-U-S, bus. B-U-S-E-S, buses. Yes, what we added here? E-S and here also E-S. Here only B-U-S. Here also B-U-S, buses to make it many. What we are adding here? E-S. What we are adding? E-S, buses. Next, W-A-T-C-H, watch. You all know watch. You will wear watch. Yes. Watch, watches. One means watch. 3 means what you will say? Watches. So what spelling you will write? W-A-T-C-H-E-S, watches. Here also E-S we added. Here also E-S we added. Is it clear? Bushes, buses, watches. Here we added E-S. B-O-X, box. B-O-X, box. 1 means box. 4 means what will kids say? Boxes. So what spelling will come? B-O-X-E-S, boxes. Here also we added E-S, boxes. Box, boxes. K-I-N-G, king. K-I-N-G, king. 1 means king. Many means what will say? Kings. 1 means king. Many means kings. K-I-N-G-S, kings. Bus, buses. Here what we added? K-I-N-G, king. K-I-N-G, yes, only yes. Same way, for few words to make many we add es, and for few words to make many we add s, only s. For few words we should add es to make many. For few words we will add only s to make many. Here bush, bushes, es we added. Bus, buses, es we added. Watch, watches, es we added. Box, boxes, es we added. King, kings, we added only yes, we added only yes. Next, peach, 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 peach. One means peach. Five means what you will say? Peaches. Say the spelling. Peaches, peaches. Here also we are adding es. Here also we are adding es. Stick, stick. Stick, stick. Sticks. One means stick. Five means sticks. Stick. What we should add for sticks? Only yes. Only yes. Stick. Yes. Sticks. Well. 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 One means well. Three means wells. Yes, only yes we added. For stick also we added only yes. Well also we added only yes. Wells. Fox, Fox, fox. One means fox, four means foxes. So Foxes, foxes. Here what we added es, foxes. Basket, basket. Basket. One means basket, two means baskets. Baskets. What we added here? Only yes, baskets. Is it clear, children? We will learn now. Peach, peaches. We added es. Stick, sticks. Only yes. Well, wells. Only yes. Fox, foxes. Yes. Basket, baskets. Only yes. See, open your English textbook. Open your English grammar textbook, page number 26. English grammar textbook, page number 26. See here it's given, page number 26. Bush, you can see here bush. One bush. Here how many bushes? Two means bushes. One means bush. Two means bushes. Bushes means where all trees together, small plants will grow in one place. Small plants will grow in one place. Or bushy plant, any bushy plant. Here, one means bus, two means buses. One means bus, two means buses. Watch, see, you will wear on your wrist. Watch, watches. One means we will say watch. Two means we will say watches. WATCHES, watches. One means BOX, box. Many means BOXES, boxes. One means king. Many means KINGS, kings. One means PEACH, peach. Many means PEACHES, peaches. One means STICK, stick. Many means STICKS, sticks. One means WELL, well. Many means WELLS, wells. One means FOX, fox. Many FOXES, foxes. One BASKET, basket. Many BASKETS, baskets. Now take your pencil. Take your pencil in your hand. See what they told. Look at the picture and circle the right words. Look at the picture and circle the right words. Here, how many watch are there? How many watches are there? 1 or 3, 4, 5? Only one watch. So what we should circle here? We should circle WATCH, watch. Come on, do it with me. What you should circle? WATCH, watch. Because only one watch is given in the picture. Yes, one watch is given and watches. Watches means more than 2, 3, 4. So circle watch. Second, box, boxes. Which one is correct? Box. Here only one box are there. Many boxes are there. Yes, many boxes are there. So, circle BOXES, boxes. Circle. See the picture and you should circle the correct word. Here, 1, 2, 3. How many kings are there? 3 kings are there. King means only one person. King means only one person. But here 1, 2, 3 are there. So kings, what we will call? Kings. So circle KINGS, kings. All are doing along with me. KINGS, kings. Page number 26. Do along with me. KINGS, kings we will circle. Now here peach. How many fruits are there? Peach fruits. Only one are there? No, 2 are there. 2, 3 are there. So peach will come. Peaches will come. Peaches, because more than one means peaches. Circle peaches. All are doing with me. Circling. Next this side. Stick, sticks. Stick, sticks. Here only one stick. Many sticks are there? Many are there. So what we will call? Stick or sticks? Sticks we will call. So circle sticks. STICKS, sticks circle. Here, what is this picture? Well. How many are there here? One well or many are there? Only one is there. So what we will call? Well or wells? One means only well. WELL, well circle. One means only well. WELL, well circle. Here, fox. How many fox are there here? One or many fox? Only one. So fox. Many means foxes will come. 2, 3, 4, 5 means foxes will come. Here only one fox is given in picture. So only FOX, fox circle. Next, what is this picture? Basket. How many are there here? Baskets. One or many baskets are there? One basket or many are there? Only one basket you can see in the picture. So you will call it basket or baskets. Only one means only basket. So circle basket. All have done like this, circling. First one watch circle, WATCH watch. Second one BOXES boxes circle. Third one KINGS kings circle. PEACHES peaches circle. STICKS sticks circle. WELL well circle. FOX fox circle. BASKET basket circle. Do this in your textbook. Do page number 26 in your textbook, and this all you will write in your classwork. See what is your homework? Write in classwork. What is your homework now? WRITE, write. SAME, same. IN, in classwork. Write same in classwork. Write this same in your classwork. This full you will copy in your classwork. And page number 26 you will do it circling, you will do it in your textbook. Is it clear, children? Do this work. Come on, once again we'll read. We had SRES, two naming words. To show more than one. NAMING, naming. BUSH, bush. BUSHES, bushes. BUS, bus. BUSES, buses. WATCH, watch. WATCHES, watches. BOX, box. BOXES, boxes. KING, king. KINGS, kings. PEACH, peach. PEACHES, peaches. STICK, stick. STICKS, sticks. WELL, well. WELLS, wells. FOX, fox. FOXES, foxes. BASKET, basket. BASKETS, baskets. Page number 26 complete in your textbook, circling. If one picture is there, single. If many are there, SRES we will add. So this all in the same way we will add SRES to the naming words to show more than one. This you will write, and also write this heading and copy all the 10 words in your classwork neatly. Is it clear, children? Do your work, both classwork and textbook. Thank you, children.